Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Linda.
And what's your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Oh, great. And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in January.
What do you want to drink?
I want some lemonade.
And what do you want to eat?
I want some grapes and chips.
What do you do on Saturday?
I stay at home and watch TV.
What do you do on Monday?
I study at school on Mondays.
Okay, what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:45.
And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Where is your school?
My school is in the village.
And how many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at my school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is 1 computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Monday?
I have Vietnamese, Math, and English.
Okay. What do you do at the weekend?
I do housework and stay at home.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
What can you do?
I can draw and ride a bike.
Okay. What can your mother do?
My mother can cook and play badminton.
What can your father do?
My father can swim and cook.